If you think AI can never help you with maths like a human tutor, this one is for you. Sarah, a high school girl, knows the basics of logarithmic functions, but didn't know how to solve a particular problem. So she chose Mathz AI and started solving it on the whiteboard with her AI math tutor buddy. As she worked through the problem, she used helpful features like hints and progress checks whenever she felt stuck or confused. AI Buddy not only helped her get that win, but also boosted her confidence in tackling similar problems. Lastly, Buddy gave her feedback and suggested what she should do next to level up in logarithmic functions. Visit Mathz AI now and start learning.